Namaste. This is Desi Handloom Store, 4th floor, PNM Mall, Patna, Bihar. Today I am showing you the different types of silk sarees from all over the India. Starting from the Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Assam and from Assam to Gujarat, I am showing today the different types of sarees with their own name. It's not like sarees or it's not like silk saree or the cotton saree. In my earlier videos, you have already seen the cotton collection from the Desi Handloom Store. Today, this is the turn of silk collection. So this is Gadwal, the typical pattern of folding. You can see the green color Gadwal saree. Gadwal saree is folded like this. This is but obvious Jangla Banarsi saree from Uttar Pradesh. Mangalgiri silk saree, Mushru silk, Kalamkari. This is block printed Kalamkari, and pen Kalamkari also we have. Rankart, silk georgette in Bandhej. This is Kanjivaram Rankart. Chanderi silk saree. Venkatgiri silk. Bangalore silk. Maheshwari with this border, the typical border of Maheshwari. This is the basic difference between Chanderi and Maheshwari. You will get Maheshwari this type of border with the bootas all over. Banarasi tissue. The difference between the tissue and the plain silk saree is that in tissue there is one running border, running threads of tissue, that is jari. This is Kanjivaram tissue. Dupian silk from Bhagalpur. से भागलपुर के जे बानी रहुआ लो, भागलपुर के साड़ी तो जरूर चिन्हत होगा. आई देसी हैंडलूम में आपन पसंद के साड़ी देखी. दिस इज मोडाल सिल्क विद द अजरक. प्रिंटेड सिल्क, मधुबनी पेंटिंग ऑन तस्सर सिल्क फ्रॉम भागलपुर. This is Mulberry silk with the Madhubani painting. Ghicha. These all are silk. This is Venkatgiri silk saree with multiple bootas over here. Venkatgiri is a place in Andhra Pradesh. Ikkat border with Venkatgiri silk. Gajji silk, Rai Bandhani. One Gajji silk also I am wearing today. This is with the Lagdi Patta, Gajji silk with Bandhani. So this Bandhani is all Rai Bandhani. This is also Rai Bandhani with Lagdi Patta on Gajji silk. Kora silk. You can also call it organza. Tassar by Ghicha. Kosa silk from Chhattisgarh. This is Mushru Banarsi. I got it. Kota silk. The same sari Rekha was wearing in event. You can see on net. This is Kota silk with silver boota. Katan Banarsi with Kadua boota. Crepe silk sari. In crepe you will get from 40 gram to 120 gram. This is one of my favorite Tilia Rumal sari. टिलिया रुमाल डबल इक्कत. এটা কি তোমরা বলতে পারো? আমার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ যদি একটু একটু বুঝতে পারো তাহলে তোমরা বলতে পারো এটা কি শাড়ি। এটা নিশ্চয়ই বাঙালের শাড়ি, ওয়েস্ট বাঙালে কাঁথা স্টিচ শাড়ি। গাছি তসর, দ্য বেস ইজ গাছি তসর। গাছি তসর উপরে তোমার এই কাঁথা স্টিচ মাল্টি কালার কাঁথা করা আছে। খুব সুন্দর শাড়ি, পরতে খুব ভালো লাগে। अगेन फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश, कोरा बनारसी with सोना रूपा बूटा, silk georgette in rai bandhni, from Gujarat, Patan Patola sari. The border is tissue border over here, the body is Patan Patola. This is Patni sari. The real beauty of Patni I will show at the last. Printed Kanjivaram silk. Digital pure crepe silk. Write in the comment also which sari do you like most. This is typical wedding collection sari from the Kanjivaram. This is Kanjivaram. See the beauty of Jari. Kanjivaram is famous for its Jari. Patni inspired Venkatgiri silk. Patni border, Venkatgiri silk. Pochampalli sari in pink and blue. Assamese tassar. With the Assamese work over here, the typical pattern of damru and the cap, those the Assamese people used to wear. Earlier I told you I will show from the Assam to Gujarat. So this is Assami.